Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm, and talking about the Aquifer tunnel as opposed to the Aquifer field, which is the stands. These are inverted wobblers, and they're for use inside of a tunnel. So I'm going to show you how it goes together. Okay, so you're going to have a drain stop. It's that piece. Wobbler's going to screw onto that. Just careful not to thread it. It should just be hand tight. No wrenches required. Definitely don't use a wrench. Just hand tight, then into the coupler, okay? Then the coupler onto the poly tube, turn it, and then just hand tight. You don't need to over tighten it, right? It compresses by itself, okay? And that can be hand tight into here, just hand tight, okay? And then for this, there's two U-bolts. One just goes around the T, and you see the little piece of plastic goes through the circle. All right, so around the T and through the circle, and then wrench it down. And you want to wrench it down hand tight. Okay? Just like that. Okay? And then you're going to put it on your purlin. Now I suggest putting these up first before you put in your plumbing, your piping. Okay, we have PDFs on our site that'll show you the layout depending on the width of your house. Right? But really what determines is your width. Then your length is just going to be how long you do that pattern for. Right? So you can do it for 20 feet to 1,000 feet. Okay, and then these sit going this way on your purlin with your U-bolt, okay? And then you just screw these on and just wrench them on hand tight, okay, in the right positions. Do that first, and then get your plumbing in. And you're just going to use 3/4 inch poly mainline, which we sell, and the right fittings, and that's it. So for your drain stop, right, up and down, that's where you want to set it, right? You just use a screwdriver, because this turns it all the way off, meaning that it's just going to leak out water. Up and down is where your drain stop is working, meaning it's stopping the water, okay? And you don't want it any tighter than that, like you just want it up and down, okay? Now the system's under pressure, right, because of the drain stop, not heavy pressure. But if you have leaks, best thing to do is just use plumber's tape. You can use as much plumber's tape as you want on any of the threaded fittings, okay? You just don't want to put plastic fittings really, really tight, like with a wrench, because you're just going to break it. Right? So just wrap it, 6, 7 times. It's going to be fine. This way you won't get a leak above the drain stop. Okay? And then you're going to feel that snug right into the tape. And you won't get a leak. Right? Because the leak, just end up hurting your crops. Okay? So all the threaded ones, if you're getting leaks, then just come and just put the... It's not that. It's all good. You can put it on a timer. We sell a professional timer that you can get, and you're set. It's just an amazing system. I've had so many hoop house watering systems, and the second best is the Aquifer field, which I put on the ground, but this gets it nice and out of the way and is much more even inside because you don't have to worry about wind. This wouldn't work outside because of the wind, but inside it's nice and fine and gives great coverage. So thanks for watching.